Let's start. We need to sift 6 cups all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Add 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix until well combined. This is optional. Add 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. Then sift to remove lumps. Mix well. Then, set aside. Let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a bowl, combine 220 grams softened butter and a half kilogram brown sugar. I used buttercup margarine for this recipe. Gradually add 4 medium-sized eggs. Please let us know where are you watching from. Comment down below. Add 175 grams vegetable shortening or 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Gradually combine dry ingredients and wet ingredients. You may add melted chocolate if you want. Mix well but don't overmix. For the complete list of ingredients, please see description box below. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl. Our cookie dough is easier to mix if kneaded by hand. If you are going to sell our cookies, make sure to use gloves to avoid contamination. Mix in our chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate bar than just cut it into pieces. Mix until chocolate chips are evenly distributed. Grease baking pan then line with parchment paper. Scoop about 4 tablespoons of cookie dough then slightly flatten. Do not overcrowd the pan so that heat will circulate properly. I decided to add more chocolate chips on top, but it's really up to you if you want to. On a preheated oven, bake cookies for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Smells so good. Cookies just look undercooked when freshly out from the oven but will be firmer as it cools down. And there you have it, double chocolate chip cookies.
Woo! Yeah, then you get that one. Ang sarap!
Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.